Hey there, it's Kimberly Hue Knit for Brains. And my friends over at Lion Brand announced that they had some brand new colors out in the Hue and Me yarn. And I had to try it, so stay tuned. Hey there, welcome to my channel. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. I'm so glad that you're here. If you're just joining us, where have you been? We've been waiting for you, and I'm so glad you're here. So, you know, I love Lion Brand. I haven't actually talked about them in a little while. For no particular reason, I just haven't, but I got an email that they came out with this new color or these new colors in the Hue and Me line, and I thought, I have to try this because it's been very kind of muted before, and the colors never really attracted me. But that has to change now. So if you're not familiar with Hue and Me, this is actually, it's a vision of Two of Wands. Two of Wands is, that's Alexi Tavel. And she is an amazing website. She's an incredible designer, crochet, and she's got a huge following and does some amazing, really wonderful things. And she's been partnering with Lion Brand for a while on this Hue and Me line. So it's a bulky weight yarn, and I want to show you some of the new colors that came out. If you haven't used Hue and Me, it is an acrylic and wool blend. So it is 80% acrylic, 20% wool. So you can use it for crafts and blankets and things like that, but you can also use it for garments if you want to. It's a weight of a 5. So we are looking at a bulky yarn here, 137 yards per ball, and it comes in at $7.99 per ball. But Lion Brand is always running sales on this one here. I found this on their website, so it shows you you can make with this ball here, where you can do scarves and hats and sweaters and things along those lines. So let's talk about the color. So this is one of their newest colors. It is called Aubergine. And this to me looks like aubergine. Aubergine, very eggplant. That's what aubergine means in French, is eggplant. Love this color. So I'm thinking they're going with a lot of the kind of the fall colors. That's sort of what came through in this one, at least with, so I just basically grabbed a ball of all the new colors. This one here is, I'm going with some kind of a cranberry color, and it is called Gamay. Gamay. I don't know what Gamay is. I apologize. But that's a cranberry. To me, that's a beautiful cranberry color. Aren't those gorgeous together? Oh, love. Next color that I grabbed is Hyacinth. I love hyacinth. So think like a French lavender, kind of a muted lavender color, very natural. And of course, anything hyacinth bouquet, big, huge fan. The next color that I bought was called Deep Sea. Oh, look at these colors, kind of a beautiful blue green-ish color. Yeah, it's called Deep Sea. Oh, love, gorgeous. All right, last two. This one is called Framboise. Framboise, which means strawberry in French, if you didn't know that. Framboise. I don't know why I would really call that strawberry. I call that more of like a claret color. Yeah, but it's beautiful. And then this one is called Sunflower. You can tell, right? I love these colors. So they're jeweled. Let me see if I can lift them all up at once. Yeah, they're jeweled colors. But I'm seeing this and I'm feeling autumn. I'm feeling the Christmas, the autumn colors, you know, like the pumpkins and the aubergines, like I said. Just absolutely love these. So I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I just got one of each skein just to check out the colors. And I have not used this yarn before. It gets a lot of great reviews. So basically, it is, the description says that it's a bulky weight blend of 80% acrylic and 20% wool designed for versatility. Each color has been carefully chosen to stand alone or combine effortlessly with any other color in the palette. With 137 yards per skein, this durable yarn is ideal for knit or crochet projects, sweaters, blankets, scarves, and accessories. Its soft texture and modern color range make it a top choice for timeless handmade garments. And of course, because there's acrylic in there, it's easily machine washable. If you've used this yarn before, let me know. But they have patterns here for sweaters, afghans, some shawls, some stitch cowls. And because it's a weight of a 5 and a bulky, you know it's going to work up really, really fast. So I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet, but aren't they gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And I can absolutely see how all these colors can really work well together. There's some oatmeals, there's some naturals, some grays. They have 42 colors in their color palette. And a lot of them are kind of these modern colors. So not going to be your true reds and your blues and your whites, but more muted, just more comfort colors, but they're calling this that modern skein color. So really, yeah, really more muted, but I'm absolutely loving what this is all about. Hue and Me. Chunky Wool Blend. Yeah. So there you go. Let me know if you've tried this yarn before, if you've tried any of the Hue and Me's. I love Lion Brand. I don't know how this is going to work up with the washing. There might be a little bit of pilling going on with it, but again, it's going to be a bulky, so it's going to be kind of a fast knit, which sometimes you really need. When I work with too much sock yarn, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's taking me so long to get through anything. So I'm excited to be working with a 5. I typically don't do a lot with 5s. I don't know why. I just don't. I usually go for more of the sock yarns, I think, because I love all the variegations and all the natural fiber colors and the independent fibers. So, and I'm not always a solid person. I have a hard time buying straight solid colors, so I'm excited about this. All right, well, this was my little mini haul from Lion Brand. I wanted to check out the new colors from Hue and Me, and I'm loving them. They're very, very soft, perfect for fall weather coming up. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, and as always, I'll see you soon.